Let me show you how to fix this versatile wig hat by yourself. First thing to get is this adjustable elastic band, or any type of band you can find. Secondly, braid some extensions on a line like this, or use a pre-braided hair if you want it any length of your choice.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good.
So, the next step is to attach the braids to the elastic band.
Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my
Make sure you secure the stitches tightly so it doesn't fall off.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you.
For this hat, you may need to stitch the hair right above the opening at the back, or stitch it round if you want to.
I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my
Carefully stitch the bandit to the fabric underneath the cap, right above the opening. If you're with me till this point, thank you for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. Like this video and let me know what you think of this hack in the comment section. See you in my next video.